पैसे वाली।
क्या है ये, क्या है ये,
क्या हर किसी को पप्पी,
हाँ,
हर किसी को
क्या है,
क्योंकि
क्या
मैं
है?
अच्छा, क्योंकि मैं अच्छा प्यार मोहब्बत वाला इंसान हूँ इसलिए। तो बुराई है उसमें कोई?
अच्छा थोड़ा सा टर्न आ गया। हाँ अभी
वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, फोटो फोटो फोटो।
अभी कुछ बोलो ना थोड़ा सा।
रमेश जी आप बहुत अच्छे
बहुत बुरे इंसान हो।
मेकिंग मैन हो।
छोटा घोड़ा लेकर दादा ये क्या करो। नमस्ते।
सीरियसली
लेता हूँ।
कांच किधर है? अच्छा उधर है। मैं डर गया, मतलब साला कांच में जाके ठोकना तुम।
ऑर्डर में जा रहे
सुन के भूत वाला एहसास होता है।
just away. ये this will get in our way. इसको hide देना। ऊपर कर लो। Sorry. एक देख लेते हैं रिहर्सल। हाँ चलो। Full on दूसरा एकदम पूरा नहीं होगा। Okay. Okay, go for rehearsal. Yeah. Stand by. You enter. It's dark. Yeah. Is that fine? Yeah. Okay. You enter. Lights on. Surprise. ये हुआ? Come in. Gotcha fooled you.
Gotcha.
नहीं. Here. Gotcha fooled you.
Gotcha. Fooled you. Happy birthday, mom. Thank you.
Hey dad, what's up?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, mom. First, hey dad, what's up? Then happy birthday, mom. What happens if you go more to your right table and get mother and yeah. This. अभी. ये है ना, you can come closer to dad, don't stay away, and you stay here. Right. I was just trying to go to these movements.
You know, just wondering, should I be hugging her at all?
Yeah. Which you should.
I should
Yes.
hug her.
Yeah. Check, Kishore. Kishore, check. Better?
Because I got the later scene of, you know, when I go up to her and I say,
Costume?
thank
Okay.
you.
Costume? Take it
Thank you
second.
so much, darling. She should feel that it's about her. I was hugging her all this while. So I'm not hugging you.
एक बार रिहर्सल करना.
Take two.
Clap. Action.
Surprise!
Gotcha! Fooled you. Happy birthday, mom. Hey, Dad, what's up? Thank you so much, darling. So ये
Immediately इधर आना चाहिए. One shot के लिए. हाँ. चलिए. Don't.
एक मिनट एक मिनट
Don't stay on father and daughter. Straight for the mother.
Thank you, Kapil sir.
costume please.
Clap. Action.
Surprise!
Gotcha! Fooled you. Happy birthday, mom. Hey, Dad, what's up?
Thank you so much, darlings. तो ये थी तुम्हारी इमरजेंसी. He told me कुकी को कुछ हो गया है.
मॉम सच्ची आई रियली ट्राइड कि मुझे कुछ हो जाए पर मुझे कुछ हुआ नहीं.
One more.
Cut!
आफ्टर
बाप के ऊपर फोकस क्या सॉफ्ट डिलीवरी
Not about you. It's about the. Inclusion नहीं हो रहा है. Because you are finding it. ये होना चाहिए family. हाँ. Tap करो. Tap. चलो quickly one more. टेबल निकालना है क्या? हाँ सर. पूरा उधर कर दो ना. पीछे पुश कर सकते हैं? इधर ऐसा वो पीछे क्या पुश करो. पुश करो. पीछे और चेस्ट संभाल के ये बोल क्या? वो सबसे Right. Why?
Mom सच्ची right.
मॉम सच्ची आई ट्राइड टू हो जाए.
You really tried.
Really right.
That's definite.
I tried to.
Yes.
Vibhuti, mom, such I really tried to kill myself, mom. But कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. उस तरह का होना चाहिए. चलिए stand by.
Hands off.
साथ
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah. So, this, है ना? Which chord is this? G chord.
let's shoot. Hands off. Lights off. ये दरवाजे से मूवमेंट बंद करो. साइड में हो जाओ सब लोग. वहां से लाइट है बाहर से.
Take two.
क्लैप. एक्शन.
इतना अंधेरा क्यों है?
लाइट्स.
Surprise! Gotcha! Would you?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Cut. Got it.
Got this. Break continue. One more. Sorry. What?
Wait.
Hold. Let's do one more. No?
I need one more. Immediately.
What the angle?
ठीक है.
चलो one more sound. One more. तपस्या very good timing है, क्या बात है, कभी बहुत अच्छा, चलो उधर को, हाँ good one guys, just is good, ना come one step to your right, one more, अरे इधर से हटिए please पूजा, everybody let's move out, अरे पेपर नीचे है रोमित, ये क्या हो रहा है तपस दादा चलो लेट्स गो फॉर टेक नाउ स्टैंड बाय चलिए आ जाओ क्विक फाइनल चेक्स पोजीशन चेयर को राइट में लेके आ जाओ इसको लेफ्ट में ला अरे इसको लेफ्ट में टेक इट ऑफ अच्छा ऐसा हो चेयर को राइट में आना साकेत हेल्प करना खड़े खड़े क्या सब कुछ देखते हैं ये थोड़ा टर्न द टेप टर्न द डॉल टुवर्ड यू द डॉल फोकस फर्स्ट फोकस डॉल पे रखना So the focus is on the doll first and then we shift, right? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Chalo. Stand by. Hands off. So are we doing the hat on mom?
Lock it up. Silence please. And sound is rolling.
Start sound. Rolling. Clap.
4 A by 1. Take 1.
एक मिनट. Sorry, one more. Cut it.
Wait.
Cut camera. Take two cut.
Take 3 आएगा.
वो क्लैप थोड़ा नीचे है. Start sound. नीचे क्लैप और नीचे दिख रहा नहीं है.
Take 3 है.
Take two है. अभी 4 हो गया. 4 हो गया. 4. चलो let's move now. One yeah guys. Okay, high energy. Come on.
Take 4.
Clap. Action. cut. ये क्या एक्शन हो गया?
क्या नाम है बोलो ना मुझे.
I thought she's saying that put the cap on mom and then come.
Yeah, I think that.
Yes. Start sound.
Sound is rolling.
Take 5.
Sound is rolling.
Take 5.
Action.
Happy birthday.
Shift.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So the pan a little left. Can we? Cookie going very left.
Moving with her.
Yeah.
I have to look at her. I see the movement, and then I.
Yes, that's the right.
That's the way it happens.
Yeah. So you follow her.
Then I come here, and then you follow.
Okay.
Yes.
Action.
And you guys follow him.
Yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Just follow Rina. Hold. Start from the beginning. And everybody still start.
Happy birthday.
You already doing it. Start. That's how I do it.
Yeah.
From right to left. All of you. From right to left.
Nadim. Nice. कुछ नहीं है. Easy का सब क्या है? नहीं हट रहा है. कब हटेगा? बोलेगा ये बोल ही नहीं रहा हटाने को तो अपना थोड़ी हटेगा.
I will point on what see or not.
एक चीज बोलना पड़ेगा क्या? ये क्या चीज है? लेवल बटली. अरे यार हटाओ ना सब कुछ. कमाल कर रहे हो यार, फ्रेम नहीं दिख रहा है क्या तुम लोगों को?
दादा ये बॉटल दे देना दादा।
इनको दे दो। Correct, one more. Just start with the dog. We are going very slowly up. Those moments between Reena and
Faster? Okay, ready. Order.
Vibhuti are lost.
Order.
Straight away.
Order.
Start sound.
Sound rolling. Take 7.
Clap. Action.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Correct. There's something not right about this movement. Everybody just get the right movement. It's not synchronized.
No.
Then to dad, Vibhuti steps back. And by the time, see Vibhuti, see the timing. Immediately you will have to. And so if dad is taking it, you also come forward. So एक थोड़ा extend हो जाता है moment. ये हुआ, ये इधर जाने वाली थी, थोड़ा इनको दिया. You step back by the hand.
अब तो एंटी को भी खिला
नहीं तब तक रुकना मत. आपको जाने के लिए टाइम दे रहा हूँ.
No, she leaves when I fed her.
Fed her, then she started. Yeah.
Okay, as soon as.
Correct.
Okay, meaning.
So she was about to give it to you, so dad came, फिर auntie came. By that time you're off.
Okay.
चलो.
Okay.
चलो take it. Let's make this work, guys. चलो. वो on करो. अरे silence. दोनों जला के रखो. दोनों हाँ नदीम.
हाँ.
पहले छोटी वाली कैंडल जला नदीम.
हाँ.
छोटी वाली जला दे.
चलो. Start sound.
Sound sir.
जला दो.
Take
ये
9.
हटा, एक सेकंड हटा.
Sound is rolling.
End clap.
Okay.
Okay.
Rolling action.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monkey. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Monkey.
Hold. Move. Reena, come this side.
Cut.
That frame didn't work, huh? We lost. Yes. Go to Andy, left. Go to the kitchen. Yeah, might work. That walk might work. एक बात देखें. See, ये सब करने की क्या जरूरत हो रही? It's Cookie's idea. It's Cookie's idea. बोलते हैं ना, let's move from here and go. You don't need to go to the kitchen. We need to go to the kitchen. And don't go into the kitchen. Just stay here. So can the kitchen door be closed?
We will see how it is.
Okay. Keep it open. It's okay.
No, you come all the way here. Can you go inside? Actually close नहीं आएगा.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
चलो, let's go. Come. Rehearsal. Let's see a full rehearsal now again.
चलो. Move everyone.
Yeah, please. You go to the table.
अरे तुम कैंडिड मोमेंट खींचो. तो मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
It's a video, huh? Not.
एक बार ऑन करके अभी भाई ओ इनका ये पड़ता हाथ ना इधर जोड़ो लाओ नहीं
और राइट से और राइट से
क्या है इसका बताऊंगा
You're saying this is दिखावें close up है
एक ग्लास सुना एक बड़ा डाल दे ये लाइट की वजह से ना सब दाग दिखते हैं
सुधीर सर
प्रोडक्शन लाइट ये जो कैंडल जला के केक पे
और एक चीज सुनना आपका राजकुमार ये देखो मिट्टी लाइट
वापस किया बोल नहीं पॉइंट उसको गड़बड़ है तो कैसे मिलेगा
दोनों गुरु चले वो
हाँ वही नीचे और ऊपर डाल रहे हैं और तीन मान पूछ रहे हैं बोले नहीं था कि रेल दिया अभी घंटे की बराबर है इसका चीज़ वो टूट गया एक
ये क्या गिटार तो मेरा ही है मेरे को तो पता ही है क्या है हाय हाउ आर वी डूइंग हेलो
We are doing fine.
माय वाइफ yesterday's shots we are all blown by
I'm also crossing that. I'm sure. I'm a little uncomfortable, but it's okay. It's too clingy. I'm not used to wearing such clingy stuff. But that's okay now. I mean, it's fine. I think it's okay. It's not as bad. Chalo, ma'am. Come. So he is brand reception.
चलो आउट इसका काम नहीं बाहर चलो आउट नदीप मूव मैं आवाज देता हूँ प्लीज आउट पूजा इसका भी काम नहीं बाहर
सब पूरा मास्टर शॉट आ जाइए दादा
चेक चलिए चलिए आइए नदीम याद है
और दिन में हम लोग है ना
आ जाओ आर्टिस्ट टेबल है आउट करो वहां से
एसी हटा दो दादा चलो एसी का नहीं शुगर का
That comes here. इतना अंधेरा क्यों है? And 3 or 4 figures there. Yeah, this play yeah. You are here, right? You will come join behind. And Jaggi, you come from here. हाँ, चलो.
साकेत चलो
क्या
चलो टेकिंग without the sound. But we saw her face then, now we don't see it. Now when she said supply and gotcha told you, that's when we see her. अभी ये क्या रही है ना? थोड़ा सा बाल गीला होने दो।
पूजा हाँ ठीक सचिन मेकअप
कुछ चाहिए
एक देख लेते हैं सर हाँ चलो फुल ऑन दूसरा एकदम पूरा 3 मिनट ओके ओके गो फॉर रिहर्सल या स्टैंड बाय यू एंटर इट्स डार्क
So I will.
या इज दैट फाइन या यू एंटर लाइट्स ऑन सरप्राइज ये हुआ कम इन गॉटचा फूल्ड यू
Gotcha.
नहीं ये गॉटचा फूल्ड यू
Gotcha.
गॉटचा
Gotcha. Fooled you. Happy with mom.
check Kishore check better
Because I thought the later scene of, you know, when I go up to her and I say, thank you. Thank you so much, darling. So she should feel that it's about her. I was hugging her all this while. So I'm not hugging.
clap action cut one more late हुआ opening the door was late
No call.
आजा मुन्ना
लाइन देखना बिल्कुल no phone call okay
No calls.
phone will ring
Mom, no calls, no question, no calls.
guys check it out
Epic. Mom, country stop psychiatrist ने लाइफ में पहली बार एक पेशेंट को कॉल करती है. Let's
Yeah.
party to that.
guys ये देखना ये guys epic ये turn around everybody performance दो country top psychiatrist ने फोन कट कर दिया पेशेंट का let's party to that party हाँ push it ये so when she is walking around ना turn around let us see her and your pitch should be higher बहुत धीरे बात कर रहे हो प्रोफाइल इज फाइन ना अच्छा यू आर देयर
Irritated with the fact that he was supposed to meet that.
लेके आ जाओ मैंने दिले
Or let's party to that.
but you are feeling it
I'm feeling that, yeah.
इधर समझ गया ना, चल के आ रही है उसके स्पीड के साथ इधर पहुंच because immediately
Let's party with that. Let's party with that.
Yay! Andy, you take the lead. चलो 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 let's try it. I just need exactly 1 minute. ये मिला ये एप्पल बॉक्स लेके आओ यहाँ पे.
Connection.
वहाँ से आते आते वो कर लेना है. Should we try that once?
Yes.
आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ.
I placed my
That look very great. Will you take the tip? Yes. No. What about the spoon? देखा फोन देखा रीना का फोन देखा और देख रहा था किसी का कॉल नहीं है एंड दिख क्या हुआ लाइक दिख गया था. हाँ समझ में आ रहा था किसी का फोन नहीं है. मैं बहुत टफ होगा उसको करने को.
No, but then I kind of finished that. I didn't back and
ये करना था पूरा स्प्रे में ऊपर रख देना. हाँ तो in that गोला बोलू just gather around mom and you will just lost. Even I am yeah yeah even I am yeah you are with mom. Check Lalit if this white work.
I'm done playing guitar.
Yeah all
How many cakes do we have like?
we have to yeah see what
So till she ends singing.
गिटार रखने तक.
हाँ उसके बाद तो लोग केक ही नहीं कट रहे ना, मतलब एक्शन में लैग है. फिर केक कटिंग क्लोज में होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट
सॉन्ग से बहुत बढ़ गया.
Quiet, please.
ठीक है इधर
यहाँ
से
तक यहाँ तक. इसके बाद
Yeah, sir, yes, sir.
चलो बच्चों.
पिलो कवर वाइट अजीब दिख रहा है.
In fact, when he's sleeping, she's not there.
हाँ ठीक ठीक ठीक.
Order, sir.
मैम के साथ सॉरी. हाँ
तो जो ग्लास वॉल का डोर है उसको बंद ही रखो फुल्ली.
हाँ खुला उसमें ही रिफ्लेक्शन जाएगा.
रिफ्लेक्शन दे.
हाँ
हाँ ठीक बंद करो.
एंड
ए वो पता नहीं चलेगा तेरा कट है और रिफ्लेक्शन, वो लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा. वो किया है मैंने सेट.
या करेक्ट.
बोल दे मृदुल को.
मृदुल जस्ट सी दिस शॉट. हाँ लेट्स सी. हाँ
That means mother has to be here. Can you see my face? Kishore frame.
Yeah.
Mother has to be somewhere here. अभी दिख रहा है? हाँ
दिख रहा है. विभूति कम ना कम.
And you don't see this gap, no?
विभूति come to the left. Left, more left. We shouldn't see her back, huh? We should see only her dress. लड़की का ड्रेस ही दिखेगा अपने. Then mom gets up and comes out. It works. चलो आ जाओ देखो. विभूति कम है on action. Action Vibhuti, you move and mom looks. Action. Yes, this is what we want.
थोड़ा और लेफ्ट में जाएगा क्या?
So Reena, on action count 1 and look right.
Reena, can you go 6 inches lower? Then you have to adjust for.
Oh, okay. Just leave her. We should not see her skin. Vibhuti, pull the dress up a little bit from behind.
Do you want to see the frame once she leaves?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
You sure? You're good? You okay?
Yes,
Vibhuti, just step out and let's see the frame.
38/1, take 1.
And action. On action, Vibhuti, you have to move. Everything. No. Everything went for a toss because Reena on action will count 1.
Cut!
Count. Vibhuti, come behind a little bit. No.
Sound rolling.
Take 2.
And action. Come out, Reena. Very slowly. What was that about? Who was that? Come out. Walk slowly. Steadicam goes. Shadow. We didn't see the shadow. Didn't work. We didn't see the shadow.
In clap.
Reena.
Yep.
Late हो गया. One more. Cut.
So the action just.
Come. You went too far.
Okay.
On action count 1 and then.
Okay.
No. Check down, Reena. Vibhuti, in place? Yeah. Start sound.
In clap, take 6.
And action. No. It didn't work. Sorry, Reena, my mistake. Count 1. Rolling. Action.
Shadow.
Cut. This is good. If the shadow could come slightly earlier because the camera starts tilting up, no?
No, I only get
You want- Shadow.
In clap.
He's already here. He's already here. She stops here. He doesn't have to here.
So, where is the green?
Reena has to come at least in the mirror. That first look you're giving, no. We are not seeing the quality because we don't have any place to go behind. Behind you, we want to see the quality.
So the moment you get out of the bedroom and almost perfect shadow. थोड़ा सा Reena, you are perfect. What is
Clap.
ये perfect हो. Picking up. Timing. It works, yeah. It works. चलो, done. Got it. We got it. चलो ऊपर.
ये शॉकर लेके जाओ मॉनिटर पे और करेंगे कि बड़े
ये भाई बहुत बड़ा शैडो है.
her in the next shot.
Yeah.
The real expression, and she do once she, because corridor till one point there is no light.
Right.
And after that the shadow, if we go by that continuity, there will be a little bit of light on her. Obviously we'll make it very less this time. But then if she emotes, can you cheat that?
Yeah, we can.
Like a little closer and reaction.
Yeah, we can.
On action reaction.
Alright, keep quiet and sound is rolling.
38 by 1, take 1.
And action. One more. उसका फेस कट गया थोड़ा. And action. This is where you need to, this is where you are in the light and you need to cut. It will not work because we are seeing the steps here. Will get. You saw something, turn around.
I think what distance but walk slower. She's walking very slow. Catch that speed and wait for some time. Once you have that distance, this much is enough no, when you're falling behind.
Yeah.
When you have that, then go. Even if you take 2 steps, 3 steps is enough.
Chalo, AC off. Action. Open the door. She peeks out. And dad goes to her. क्या हुआ? And she turns towards point there. He is about to go down when he hears something else and he goes inside. So we shoot this with that. And turn around. यहाँ पे मिनी है. मिनी says आज मैं practice करेंगे.
मैं भी वही बोल रहा
हाँ मैं भी वही बोल रहा था. You should leave. Please. He looks at her. Cut. ये 2 shot.
एक ही कुर्सी रखा लेंगे. अरे नहीं किधर से मालूम खबर लेके
बड़ी आंखें. Action. Pan.
I don't think I'll go for Taylor, yeah.
मैं भी यही कह रहा था.
Thanks for being the chicken. We should now.
One more. बहुत ज़्यादा मूव. We're done for the day. चलिए. Back up.